have the entire build on the website, so go look at that so you can see everything that's done to the car. It was all built by MISFIRE Motorsports here in Edmond. There's a lot of work done to this. All right, let's do a quick visual condition report, and the entire build is on our website, so go check that out. Starting with the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash on it. It looks amazing. We do have a scratch here that's been touched up. A couple rock chips on the side mirror. That A-pillar looks good. The door looks nice. Here on the edge of the door, you can see a gash and a potential dent, and that has been touched up. Lower rocker looks amazing. This wheel looks perfect. Quarter panel looks good. Back bumper looks nice. Carbon here on the top of the spoiler. All right, checking out the back left. Quarter panel looks good. That's all nice. I don't see any curb rash on this wheel. Tires have a ton of tread left. Perfect. Do have a couple chips right there. The rest of that edge looks nice. That door looks good. Got a couple rock chips here on the side mirror. Lower rocker looks good. This wheel does have some curb rash right here. A little gash there. The rest of the wheel looks nice. Little alignment issue right here. These headlights are cloudy and yellowing on that top side. Got a large rock chip right there. A couple rock chips here. A few there. A couple here. Vent looks good. This headlight's a lot more clear than the other one. Just a little hazy right here. A couple scratches. Rock chips. Got a rock chip right there. There's a little bit of curb rash on the underside, but looking around the edge here, I don't see any curb rash that's visible looking here. Of course, when you get way under, there's a little bit, very, very minor. That front end though looks amazing, very clean. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. All these buttons look good. That Alcantara is super clean. This is matted down a little bit though. Kick plate area looks good. Bolsters look amazing. Carbon steering wheel super clean. I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches. Of course, you gotta have the car to match. All of this carbon looks good. Very clean. Looking at this door panel, it looks amazing. Kick plate area is clean. Got the WeatherTech mats. A little bit of wear here on that bolster. Got a couple minor scuffs. That Alcantara looks good. Console's clean. All of this looks amazing. Dash looks good. Glove box is nice. Very clean on this this door panel looks awesome. Kick plate area is clean. That bolster bolster looks good. Same here. That Alcantara looks amazing. Seat backs look good. Okay, we're gonna go for a quick drive.